Welcome back. IPS officer Atmaram Deshpande will challenge his transfer order before the Central Administrative Tribunal. Central government had issued an order transferring him to Mizoram. High Court has given 8 weeks time to Deshpande to file a plea before the tribunal.
IPS officer Atmaram Deshpande on Thursday sought permission from the High Court to challenge his transfer order before Central Administrative Tribunal. Earlier, Atmaram Deshpande had filed a petition before the High Court challenging his transfer. Disposing of his petition, the High Court granted him 8 weeks' time to challenge his transfer before the tribunal. Till then, status quo will be maintained. In November 2011, Union Home Ministry had promoted Atmaram Deshpande, a Goa Police Service officer, to IPS cadre and then issued an order transferring him to Mizoram. Deshpande first requested central government to hold his transfer for 1 year, citing personal reasons, but his request was declined. Following denial, Deshpande filed a petition before the High Court challenging his transfer order. High Court has ordered to maintain a status quo. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
11th ESI dispensary was launched at Venna Industrial Estate. This dispensary will cater to all the employees and labor class at the estate. The 12th dispensary will be launched on 12th July at Honda. Minister for Labour and Employment, Avartan Furtado, has assured to allot plot in the industrial premises for ESI.
That we must really work for a plot here in the industrial estate where we can have our own dispensary. I will really talk to the Chief Minister and put forth all the difficulties that we have in the industrial estate too.
When in the industrial estate we have almost 10,000 people who are working. Just now the report saying that almost 20,000 have been registered. Eka gawan samaj doctors na, clinics na, tumchi paristhiti kiti jatli maka sanga. Friends, that was our paristhiti in Verna for last so many years. Needed what we require, the ESIC, it's a right to have a plot in Verna. We couldn't get it for years. I have seen her application, I think 4-5 years back. More than that.
Goa can dream of securing medals in gymnastics at the National Games when it is held in the state in the near future. A fine team of young gymnasts is taking shape under Krida Prabodhini initiative at Vidya Prabodhini Complex in Porvorim. Former national level gymnast and current coach Deepthi Kolwalkar is ready for the challenge of producing future medalists.
What are the various challenges that are involved while handling so young children?
You can't go directly to the higher level. First you'll have to make them play games also, so that they get the interest in gymnastics. We give them to play such things, such elements, such exercises which are used in gymnastics, so that their body is developed from that age onwards. So basically for the small kids which come, we give them crab walk. They develop. For the 4 years kids, we can't directly give front roll. For their bones to handle it, for their body to handle it, it's not proper. They can't do it. So to develop their bones, some exercises like crab walk, just jumping, some simple exercises are given so that their body gets developed to that level, so that we can take them further.
Goa will be the host for the national games in a couple of years. So probably you will have the task of preparing some of our representatives of the state for that tournament. Are you ready for that challenge?
Yeah, we are definitely ready for it. Actually, we are hoping that we can make as many good athletes, as many good gymnasts from here. These kids are new. All of them are very new. Gymnastics can be learned in like 1 year. It takes time. It takes 4-5 years to learn. These kids have been learning only for 1.5 years. We have opened here for past 1.5 years. So I'm hoping at least we can train them to a minimum level of gymnastics, so that they can represent Goa and at least we can get at least bronze medals, silver medals. We are hoping for the gold, but at least bronze and silver we would like to get for Goa.
This fine attempt by Krida Prabodhini looks like it is well on its way to give us the future gymnasts who will represent Goa at the national games in the next few years that Goa is going to host. With video journalist Chetan Gawas, this is Neeraj Prabhu from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. But this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.